Now we go into a game called Sound Effects. Colin is going to be performing an everyday activity, but he's going to be miming it silently because Ryan will be providing the sound effects by using this microphone, which you'll have in front of him and making noises into it. So, Colin, when I say an everyday activity, what you're doing is you're cooking it in a fish restaurant, which is obviously everyday activity for a cook in a fish restaurant. And away you go.
Tweak it, tweak it.